In this video, we will learn how neural networks, the brains behind modern AI, actually get smarter over time.
This incredible learning ability isn't magic. It's powered by a brilliant concept called backpropagation. Imagine our neural network as a tiny decision maker. It takes some input, processes it, and then spits out an initial guess or prediction. Its first attempts are often way off. This initial guess is almost certainly incorrect, especially when the network is brand new. How do we know it's wrong? By comparing its guess to the actual correct answer. The difference between these two is what we call error. This error isn't just a mistake, it's vital information. Think of it as a crucial feedback signal telling the network how much it was wrong and in what direction. This error signal doesn't just stay at the end. It travels backward through the network, from the output layer all the way to the input. This is backpropagation. This isn't a one-time fix. The network makes a guess, calculates error, backpropagates, adjusts, and then makes another guess. This process repeats millions of times. With each loop, the network fine-tunes its internal settings. Over countless iterations, its guesses become more and more accurate. Backpropagation is the fundamental algorithm that allows complex neural networks, even with many hidden layers, to learn from data. It's truly the engine behind deep learning. You've now grasped the core mechanism of how AI gets smarter. Backpropagation transforms simple networks into powerful learning machines, enabling the amazing AI applications we see today. If you found this video helpful, there's a lot more learning waiting for you. Subscribe to the uCertify channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update.